Hi everyone, my name is Rod. Today I'm excited to share with you a project I developed as part of Google's GenAI intensive course, an interactive children's story creator powered by the Gemini API. So, like imagine able to create personalized stories for children in seconds, stories that feature specific characters, magical settings, and important themes like kindness. That's exactly what is this tool uh, does. Creating engaging, personalized content for children traditionally requires a professional writers and is time consuming. You know, it's often out of reach for many parents and teachers who want stories that speak directly to their children's interests. Using Google's Gemini large language model, we can now generate high quality children's stories instantly. This is democratized storytelling and allows for personalization at scale. So let me walk you through how this works. I'm using three keys of capabilities of generative AI. First, structured output. We design our prompt to specify exactly what elements we want in the story output, including title, age range, story text, moral lesson, and discussion questions. Second, few-shot prompting. I provide a complete example story about kindness and magical forest to guide the model style, tone, and narrative structure. Third, we leverage the long text window of Gemini to create cohesive narratives. This comprehensive prompt includes detailed instructions, example, and parameters that the model can reference throughout generation. The magic happens is carefully designed JSON prompt, as you can see. Mainly, you can see everything I have said in this prompt. What I want from the AI as prompt, and you can see what things I don't want. It's in the end of the JSON file. I say I don't want violence, maximum 1,000 words. I don't want more than that. So now let's see it in action. I will run the code to send our prompt the Gemini API. Mainly, I'm showing here for you the libraries that I've used, how I'm loading my prompt, my structures that I want to display. Like here's my Gemini API calling it into the Google secrets, my API endpoint, the Gemini 1.5 Pro model that I am using right now in my code to generate the stories and format the request according to Gemini API requirements needed. And here's send to request Gemini API, process it to display. So this is my prompt structure as an output. What I want, system instructions that's needed, output format, like the age, range, title, and reading file. So here's my story that I have prompted, what I got finally. You can see how much it's structured and so good. Here's a moral lesson and the discussion questions that I've been asking. You can see it as it. This was just only the beginning. Maybe you can have in the future or like a versions that could integrate image generation for illustration and add text to speech for audio stories and create interactive interfaces. That will be so much fun. We could also enhance the educational value by adding parameters for specific learning objectives, vocabulary development, or cultural awareness elements. We could imagine being able to specify not just characters and settings, but also vocabulary words to include specific values to emphasize it or even curriculum connections. This project demonstrates how generative AI can create meaningful personalized content that brings joy to children and help make reading more engaging and more fun for many of the students. By leveraging structured output, few shot prompting, and the long context window capabilities of Gemini, we have created systems that generate high quality stories that are both entertaining and educational. I would love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. Don't forget to check out the full code and Kaggle and my little blog post link in the description. Thanks for watching and happy storytelling.